Today, we're going to replace the cabin air filter in your second generation Hyundai Santa Fe, and we'll do it step by step. This is Caswell's Kappa, and let's get to it. Your cabin air filter is located behind your glove box, so to get to it, we need to remove this. So first off, make sure everything is removed from your glove box. On the right side of the glove box, there's what's called a dampener arm. We're going to reach in, apply pressure behind the rod while pressing down on this top pin here, and that will disengage the dampener arm. Next, we'll need to remove these two black tabs. Support your glove box, push through a hole in the back of the tab, push down on the tab. You can lift it up a little more, then just snake it out. Sometimes the rubber gets stuck. There you go. Do the same thing to the other side. Support, push out, pull down, snake it out, then lower your glove box. Here we have a good view of our cabin air filter panel. Normally there's two clips that you can pull down on each side. Mine's broke, so I gotta kind of fiddle it, push it out there. But once you pull them tabs, just slide it on out and remove your cabin air filter. To remove the filter, there's 4 tabs holding it in place. Just pinch, pull it over there, and then you can squeeze out your air filter. To install the filter, the grid is the bottom. Make sure the arrows point up away from it. You're going to slide it in, then push over the 2 tabs. There it is, it's installed. Let's go put it in the car. To install it, just put it in the same way it came. Make sure the grid's on the bottom. Just push it till it clicks. Next, we'll install the tabs. There's a little groove here. You'll slide it in and push it up till that groove is all nice and set. Support your box. Slide it in and push up. Do the same thing with the other side. Support, push, up. That's done. To install the dampener arm, sometimes it'll go up here, grab you something like a flathead or a screwdriver, bring it down, and then just push it into place. And that's it. The procedure is complete. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out. Be sure to check out the channel for more procedures on this specific vehicle. And I will see y'all in the next one. Until then.